This is our last one, our last stocking. 24 right here. 24. Let's see what's in it. Y'all ready? This has been kind of fun, hasn't it? A magnifying glass lamp. $30 on Amazon. Oh. This one is a lamp with a light, and then it has a magnifying glass that kind of swings out, in and out, and you can turn it on and hold your stuff under it to rip out your seams, because we all know we have to rip things out. Yes, we do. Occasionally we have to rip things out. And the older you get, the harder it is to see little things. Don't ask me how I know that. So I think this would be a wonderful addition to the sewing room, or anything that you need if you want to read and read fine small print. That might be of assistance. If you're cooking and need to read a small recipe, that might be of assistance. Any kind of handwork, embroidery, or anything like that, that could be of assistance. Knitting or crocheting or anything we do with our hands that, we might have a hard time seeing, that would be good to have. So go check that one out. This is our last one. This is Christmas Eve, and yes, I filmed this earlier. I'm downstairs cooking. We're getting ready for family and game night, and I've got all kinds of fun prizes, gift baskets that I've made, candies, and no, I didn't make any cookies, and I'm not going to make any cookies. I didn't make cookies, but I do have some candies and some things in some gift baskets, along with some other fun stuff for prizes for our games. We've got several games to play, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And I will see you all back before New Year's, I hope. Like I said, even if it's just for throwback videos, I'll try to do a little snippet of new content to go with the throwback video. Tell y'all a little bit about it. I toyed with the idea of doing a little countdown. Maybe the top 10, top 5, something like that. Videos of the year. I've got that in my head. I'm thinking about it. No guarantees here, but I'm thinking on it. I hope y'all have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you all back real soon. Merry Christmas.